All right, we are up 54% on the Tesla puts. This is just a quick little price update, but 54% on the Tesla puts. Now, I think this has a larger room to keep running. Again, this swing trade was expected to be around 3 to 6 to 8 days, somewhere around there. It's been one single day. Because our entry was so precise, we were able to get in, and I'm up 50%, 53, 54%. I bought, I think, at 74 cents a contract, and I now see $1.01. So I'm going to secure my profit there. But my goal is to grow the portfolio 25% a week. I'm already double that at 50% in one day. So that's not to brag, that's just me saying this is why I'm securing my profits, because I'm already past my goal, which it is oversold right now. It is due to kind of pull back up, but once it manages to pull back up, I can always re-enter this position probably around the same price I'm in right now. This is just like an extra profit for me. You see my percentage up here, I'm up 46. I think we hit 65 cents a contract last night. You see the last time it did this right here with the MACD as well. Same exact routine. It pushed up a little bit, but then it yanked back down to new lows. Then it tried to recover. So this could happen in this very moment here. It pushed up a little bit, then come back down to new lows. Then it could try to recover. So in my eyes, if that happens, that could be my opportunity to sell. Set capture. Sometimes my OBS freezes. I don't know why. If you guys know why, let me know. That'd be great. I would definitely take some tips there. So I got to reset capture. That way you guys can see. It's going for 96, 97 now. 98. Impatient. This is what I was talking about earlier. It pushes up. It makes new lows one more time. And that's what we're doing at this very moment. I'm just being patient. It's doing exactly as expected. Past patterns tend to repeat themselves, but do not always have to. Identify this past pattern with the MACD. I'm gonna go ahead and submit an order at $1. Boom, it's going for $1.02. Sold the position, 54%. Looks like Greg Spare said that he was up. Here, let me show you guys real fast. Where's that? Where's that? Here we are. You can see here. Just announced it to everyone. Again, our Discord is not big at all, and that's totally fine by me. Join if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's totally up to you. But I'll keep my swing trades right here, and I'm actually working on posting new updates as well. But you can see that this is what it looks like. Whenever I bought Tesla, I entered at 408. We just sold it when it was at like 498, so a little $10 push. Bought it 74 cents a contract, and you can see my exact contract price, my exact contract with the expiration and everything on it. And we're actually in the process of updating this as well, so it looks a little cleaner, but pretty good. That was a pretty good trade. So there it is with those new lows. It will try to sweep back up probably here. I think we're going to see a nice little sweep back to that 398. It's what we did last time. But again, overall, I still see further downside on Tesla. So we did it. That was a $12 move. I genuinely could see $320 soon on Tesla. Now, again, overall, long term, I'm very bullish on Tesla. If Elon Musk runs the business, it doesn't matter politically what you like about him. It doesn't matter what you like about him, if he's a businessman or if he's not a businessman, or if he's this, he's that. It does not, look, your opinion is the lowest form of commodity, okay? So I care about what someone shows based on their past patterns. I don't care about their political history. I don't care about any of that. If they can run a business, no bias, you can run a business. Whether you're someone I like or not, I gotta say that because he's controversial. I like the guy. But it doesn't matter. My opinion doesn't matter. Statistically, he can run a business. He takes businesses and he makes them work. He makes them succeed. So yes, long term, I'm very bullish on Tesla. Leave a ticker symbol down in the comment section below, and I will try to break it down for you. And maybe I'll make a video over it so that you can watch my process, the full in-depth process of what I see and how I can kind of spot setups.